Okay, we're going to show you how to fill the cleaning liquid on the Roland AP-640 machine. So when the cleaning liquid becomes empty, you're going to get this message that you can see on the screen of the printer itself. It's an easy process to fill this liquid. It's very similar to filling the washer liquid on your car, for example. So you slide out the little container, lift the lid. You do have to use the specialised Roland TACL cleaning liquid, as you can see here, to refill it. Don't use a solvent cleaning liquid or anything like that. So we're just going to pour it through the top. There is a marker on the bottle itself to say when to stop filling it. So we're just going to fill that up. That's it. Once you're up to the level, pop the lid down, make sure that's nice and secure, and slide the bottle back in. Now the printer will automatically refill from this container here. It takes about 30 odd seconds to do, and that's all you need to do.